Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, DeepSeek has released another new model which is the DeepSeek-OCR. Basically, it is a document parsing model, means image to text, and here you see that this is the Hugging Face space for using this DeepSeek-OCR, and on the left hand side you upload the image, and here you see that you will get the text from this image. Okay, and there is a resolution size also, and there is a task type. And the thing is that, is it good? And my recommendation is that it is not that much helpful. You remember that some days ago I made the video about this pedal OCR VL, and that pedal OCR VL is the best OCR that I have seen till now. Okay, so here you see that I have given the same image to this DeepSeek OCR and the same image to this pedal OCR also. Okay, and what I have found that pedal OCR actually generated it in a clear way. So here you see that this is the 2° in position angle, it is written here. Okay, so pedal OCR actually printed it in a clear manner, this 2°. But in case of DeepSeek, here you see that what it has done. Here you see 2 and this upper arrow sign and this CIRC means a circle. So is it good? It is not that much helpful, man. I don't know why DeepSeek is publishing model that is not that much powerful. Okay, people are waiting for the DeepSeek R2, but some days ago they have released DeepSeek version 3.2, and that model was not that much helpful. And after that they have released DeepSeek OCR. This model is also not that much helpful because we have this paddle OCR, right? So why will I go for this DeepSeek OCR? Because I am getting the best result inside this pedal OCR, and here you see that it has generated this image also inside this pedal OCR. But in DeepSeek, here you see that there is no image, nothing. Okay, so why will I go in this DeepSeek OCR? I will not use it, right? And also here you see that this pedal OCR size is only 0.9 billion, and DeepSeek OCR model size is 3 billion parameter. Okay, size is very large than the pedal OCR, but the quality is not that much helpful. Okay, so this is also and learning for the people those who thinks that model size huge means the model capability also great, but it is not that correct. Okay, so it always depends the technology, the procedure that you have used during building that model, the training procedure. Okay, it depends on that. So I think this video is helpful, guys, and if you want to use it, then just go to this Hugging Face repository. I have given this link in description, and here you will find some of the spaces, so you can try any of these spaces. I am using this second space, and you can use any of these, and there you will find this kind of experience. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, guys, the meaningful information if you have got from this video, please make sure to subscribe this channel to get the latest video, latest notification what is happening in AI, and please watch the other videos also. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.